So you hear all this mumbling of the work solution and the free community and the website and the application and the marathon and the crash course and all of those free stuff for the IMAT exam. If it is the first time you see this video or this channel in general and you see the name Enter Med School, hi, my name is Ari and I'm the founder of EnterMedSchool.com, which is a community for current and future medical students in Italy and in general in Europe and all over the world. We achieved so much in 2020, but the things and the plans we have for IMAT 2021 and the Test di Medicina, 2020 is just a minute, like it's nothing comparing to what we are going to do in the next year. So I'm going to lay down the future plans we have for Enter Med School in doing IMAT 2021. So we want to create this IMAT course that's going to be so comprehensive and it will cover everything from start to finish. The simulations, the questions, the similar questions, question banks, even the books, it's going to be so comprehensive that it will replace books for the IMAT exam, and it will be so precise that you will know exactly what to do each and every day. And of course, this course will be absolutely free, as the main point of our website and this project in general is to give free education for people who can't access it. So in order to run this course, we have to run a fundraiser. So the thing is, until now, I was able to pay for everything from my own pocket, but now it's starting to get a little bit heavy, because as the community goes, you need more servers, you need more team members, you need more translators, you need more coders, graphic designers, UX, UI, it's a lot of stuff. And I want to get and to give the best experience and study materials and the highest yield and the highest quality things and study materials I can give to you guys. So without any funding, I won't be able to continue this project at all. So last year, during the IMAT 2020, at the peak, like couple of days before the actual IMAT exam, we reached close to 300 users at the same time on the website, and the servers crashed so many times. So we also have to raise some funding in order to pay for the new servers for the website. So we'll be able to actually host the website and continue this project. So for this free IMAT course, we are going to hire content writers, translators, question writers, editors. We are going to hire coders as well, because we need to simulate the actual exams. So we want to make this system, and I will show on the screen right now what we have until now, because we are actively working on it very, very hard. We want to publish it at around April or May next year in 2021, and we want to make it perfect. So the idea is to also translate it to Italian, because we know so many Italians take the IMAT exam and the Test di Medicina exam, but they take the Test di Medicina exam as their first choice. And because the syllabus is so similar for the IMAT and the Test di Medicina, they can study in English or Italian for the IMAT exam or the Test di Medicina exam and take the other exam as well. So it will be very efficient to study for both of them for the same course. So if you would like to help us to achieve this dream, and you want to either show your appreciation because you took the IMAT in 2020 and you used our website and we were able to help you to get some extra points on the exam, or you're going as a candidate to take the IMAT in 2021 and you want to use this course, this future course, we would appreciate if you would help us to fund this course and the project for 2021, so we can make it as efficient, high quality and high yield as possible. And most importantly, we will be able to give people that can't access the courses and online courses of thousands and thousands of euros for free. By the way guys, because we recorded the IMAT Marathon / crash course last year, we are going to give this cool perk for everyone. And if you are going to donate to this course, to this free IMAT course and the project in general, we are going to give you access to the recording, flashcards, PowerPoint, and all the PDF we made for the donators of previous year. We think it's pretty cool because we can just donate whatever you want and you can get access to this cool donator zone. So I will see you in the next video, and I hope next time you're going to see me is going to be when finally COVID is over and we can actually get outside, film some universities, fill some interviews with different students, and most importantly, film the actual IAMAT course. So thank you for your support, and I will see you next time.